In the heart of the forest, under the old mango tree, the ants of Antopia lived in perfect harmony. Tony the ant strummed a tiny guitar made from bark and spider silk. Other ants swayed, clapped, and sang. Life? Pretty much perfect. But nature always plays its next note. The sky dimmed. The air thickened. Even the termites stopped dancing. Tony blinked. Uh-oh. Boom. The storm didn't knock. It barged in. Rain poured like the sky spilled its bucket. Homes floated. Ants scattered. The music? Drowned in the roar. When the clouds moved on, silence took over. The village was unrecognizable. Color? Gone. Hope? Drenched. Even Tony, our brave guitar hero, sat still. His music was gone. So was his smile. It felt like the end. Mimi, the smallest of them all, stood up and squeaked. "We still have each other, right?" Tiny voice. Giant spark. Something shifted. One by one, they rose. Not waiting for rescue, becoming the rescue. Tony picked up a pebble. A broken leaf became a roof. A fallen petal turned into a bed. Even Tony's broken guitar string? Now a clothesline.
Just when the village began to breathe again, the sky darkened. A new rain began to fall. It wasn't the same monster storm from before, but it was enough to test their resolve.
That night, the ants gathered. Not to work, not to worry, but to remember. Fireflies lit the circle like a campfire under the leaves. Tony sat with his guitar and plays the ants' favorite song. By sunrise, something magical stirred. The village was nearly complete, but now came the fun part. Paintbrushes made from feathers. Pebbles painted in wild colors. Leaves folded into lanterns. Twigs bent into wind chimes. Laughter is in the air.
They didn't just rebuild Antopia. They reimagined it. Stronger. Smarter. They called it Antopia 2.0.
Here's what they learned. You can't stop the storm, but you can weather it. You can't control the flood, but you can float together. That's ant philosophy. Tiny legs, giant wisdom, and a beat that never truly stops.